That's the van that started it all. That started all this van craziness. And that van used to be sweet. And now it's just sitting in the bushes, in the weeds. Rotting, yeah. Like, it looks sad. What do you think we should do with that van, Kaiden?
You see if it starts?
You want to see if it's, for what? What's the point of starting it? It doesn't even have suspension on it anymore.
I know what we can do.
What?
Burnouts!
Burnouts? I don't think that's a very responsible parental idea.
We can't do donuts though because it would flip.
But I love it. I love that idea.
But no donuts.
No donuts. All right, burnouts only. No donuts. Let's do this. Found the Sharpie out here. It's unlocked. Can you squeeze in there?
Ew, there's spiders.
He's got it. All right, come on. Watch out for the spider!
Ah! God, I hate you.
All right, start this thing up. Let's see if it starts. Put the key
I
in.
don't want it.
We're gonna do burnouts.
I don't want to start it.
Come on.
No.
What are you scared about? It's dead. It don't even start. You try to start it. It's dead. It's dead. I'm gonna have to get a jumper box. Of course, it doesn't even have a battery in it. All right, now we need a battery and a jumper box, probably.
Wait.
Start it. All right, jumper box.
40?
Kaiden,
40, where is this?
are you ready?
Hold on. I'm gonna get the seat. 40's gonna help me.
All right, try it, Kaiden.
It's alive!
Yeah, she's a runner. Put her out in the field for years. She still runs. It's because she's a Ford. Fords are always gonna run strong. There's a big warning on the driver's side window that said, hey, don't drive. We stole the caliper bolts out of the brakes. See? There's not even shocks on it. There's no hood, there's no grill. And it looks like about 4 years ago we started putting fiberglass on this. And that's as far as we got. Sounds like she's got herself a little rod knock, little ticker-talker. I'm gonna need to put a Coyote engine in this. This is the moment of truth, guys, right here. We're gonna put her, she's coming out of the bushes, except now I shut the door and I can't get back in. So I know I'm not skinny enough to get in on that side where Kaiden got in. Oh, I gotta crank the windows down. All right, here it goes. She's in reverse.
40.
Oh yeah. Here we go.
I can't believe you ripped it.
Oh, look at, watch out for bushes. Sorry, we're running you over bushes. Oh, yeah, you like that? That's what happens when there's no shocks on her. What is that horrendous noise? Can't see out the back. We don't want to run Marcus over. What do you think, Kaiden? Ford's like, dude, I'm out of here. Dude, he don't even want no part of this. Hey, you know one part that never got stolen off this? Was like the OG door slide extension. Kaiden, should we try it out? Should we see if it still does burnouts?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it.
40.
Yeah, baby.
Here, I'm gonna jump
Was that
out.
fun?
I'm gonna jump out. So
So smoking. No, she's alive. We're gonna bring her back to life. Oh yes, we are, and we're gonna have some fun. It does, like NASCAR. We're gonna build ourselves a NASCAR van. How about that, Kaiden? Would you like to build yourself a NASCAR van? I think we got big plans for this thing. I think, Kaiden, the first thing we're gonna have to do though is clean it out. I think you're right. There is a lot of crap in here. I think some cleaning, and then I think we put front suspension back on it. A roll cage? You want a roll cage in this? What else do you want to do?
methods.
Methods? How about a set of Maxxis tires?
Sure.
Okay. What else? We need like a big old Coyote motor. One of these days, Ford, when are you gonna listen to me? Let's build something cool together, Ford. We're gonna get this thing cleaned up. This thing is gonna hit the road again. All right, guys, so Kaiden, me, who knows? We're gonna get everybody involved in this. We're gonna have some fun. We're gonna call this new series Rooted, because this is the roots. This is where Weldtec Designs came from, and I'm not gonna neglect it. We're gonna water it. It's gonna grow. You're gonna love it. Watch out, stay tuned. I'm Jeremy from Weldtec Designs. Who are you?
Kaiden Johnson from Growing Up Garage, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.